Okay, probably next week I will assign you the assignment 1. Lepas tu, yelah next week lah. Ataupun next class. Ada kan? Next class ada juga kan? Minggu depan ada next class kita. Oh yelah, semalam tak ada kelas. Okay, bye. Okay, semalam tak ada kelas. So next week, I will assign you assignment 1. So masuk tutorial. Lepas tu baru topik 3. Okay, and for your information, text 1 only have 5 topic. Ni dah topik kedua. Next week, topik ketiga. Lepas tu lagi 2 topik sahaja. So macam laju. Sebab more to exercise lah next one ni. So no worries. Okay, text 2. Nanti kita tengok what is text 2 pula. Topic 2, it's about responsibility of employers and employees. Okay, so what is the learning outcome? Apa yang korang akan belajar in this topic? It is about filing tax return. Okay, you will learn what is the definition of tax return, what is tax return. Okay, later on I will go through, and then the definition and responsibility of employers, what employers should give ataupun should present to the tax authorities. Who is the tax authority? LHDN. Okay, apa employers? Employers tu is the company lah. What should the employers give or present to LHDN? Nanti kita tengok. And definition and responsibility of employees is what us as a staff or employees should present to the LHDN or IRP. And then we take a look at the differences between master and servants relationship. It's all about employers and employees lah. Basically, this topic is all about. So, first of all, the definition of filing of tax return. Okay. Oh, dah habis dah? Oh, bye terus. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Even short je kan. Okay. Nanti tengok balik. Minggu depan I tanya. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Filing tax return. Okay, what is tax return? Okay, kan every company need to actually like file their income, ataupun nak dikatakan filing tu is they have to compile all their income and then they need to present it to LHDN. Sebab at the end of the day, LHDN akan evaluate whether this company wajib ke tidak bayar tax, akan dikenakan tax or not. So itu, that one is like a briefly explain in what is the meaning of filing of tax return. So kat sini dalam apa namanya tu? Dalam slide ni dia cakap dah, tax return is a form on which a taxpayer make an annual statement of income. Macam saya cakap lah, dia akan compilekan all of the income in one statement. Okay, and personal circumstances atau apa-apalah pun transaction yang related. Okay, and then used by the tax authority to assess liability for tax. That is what tax return is. Okay, senang nak cerita, dia akan compile all the income untuk LHDN check whether dia ni kena tak bayar tax. Okay, and then dia cakap under SAS. SAS ni is a short form of apa yang namanya self assessment system. SAS, self assessment system. So under self assessment system, okay, all companies must file the tax return within 7 months from the end of the accounting period. Okay, contohlah accounting periodnya akan end every 31st December 2022, let's say lah. Okay, ini adalah dia punya end of accounting period. So dia mestilah, okay, the company must compile all the income tax, all the statement of the income within 7 months. Maksudnya 7 months tu bulan 11, bulan 10, bulan 9, bulan 8, bulan 7, berapa dah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay. 7 months. Within 7 months tu, okay, within this period, okay, company tu mestilah compilekan all the statement of income and then dia kena submit to LHDN. Before the accounting periods end lah, dia mestilah kena settlekan, maksudnya compilekan semua the statement of income within this period untuk dihantar ke LHDN. Okay, for example, a company with an accounting period ending on 31st January must file its tax return to the IRB. IRB tu is LHDN by 31st August. So it's 7 months before the accounting periods. Okay. Kenapa tadi dia nak buat tax return, dia nak filekan tax return sebab why dia nak filekan tax return? Yes, betul. This is the reason. To assess liability for tax. Betul. Okay. So this is the deadline for submission. Maksudnya kan tadi dia kena hantar ke LHDN kan? Okay. So this is the deadline for the submission. Okay, tapi kita ada banyak kategori. Not only one company. Kita tengok kategori company tu buat apa. Okay, tengok kat sini. Kategori number one kategori dia cakap resident individual with business sources. Maksudnya local company yang dia punya income is from the business sources lah, means from the business punya income. Okay, dia akan fill up form B or dia akan isi form B ni and then dia kena return to the LHDN by 30 June of the following year. Okay, ni kena ingat what types of form this business should fill the form lah. Kita contoh yang ni, I cakap tadi, local company that dia punya income is from the business sources of income. So, dia akan fill form B. Okay, ni pula resident individual without a business sources. So, dia dapat income from employment income. So, siapa? Staff lah, the employee. Kita lah, kita tak buat business pun kan? So, kita is the resident in Malaysia. Kita dapat salary from, kita dapat income from pekerjaan. From salary. So, kita kena fill up form BE. Okay, form BE. So this is all the form yang orang ini kena isi lah untuk tax returns. Untuk filekan dia punya tax return. Okay, how about partnership? Partnership business, which the income generate from the partnership business lah. Okay, dia kena isi form P. Non-resident individual is the foreign workers. Okay, dia kena isi form M. Ni apa? Foreign? Silap. Individuals lah. Company. Company can be outside, foreign company. Okay. And local company as well. So, apart from only form B dia kena isi, form C pun dia kena isi juga. Okay. And then employers kena isi form E. So, banyak dah dia kena isi. Form B, form C, form E. Semua dia kena isi. Yang under one company. And then to deliver form EA to the employees, di form EA pun company kena isi juga. Sebab for the staff. So ingat the form punya alphabet tu, it's all based on the category. Itu akan ditanya pada dalam exam or quiz. Dia akan tanya lah, okay, this one eligible to fill which one punya form. Okay. Move to responsibility of employers. Like I mentioned, what are the things that employers should present to LHDN? Kan tadi ada form tadi? Form tu lah yang dia kena compilekan, isi dan hantar ke LHDN. So apa dia tu? Form tu apa maksud dia? So inilah dia. Marilah kita tengok details secara mendalam dia. Okay, dia cakap kat sini. Employer is required to file in the following returns at the appropriate circumstances. First, dia kena isi form EA or EC. Okay, dalam form EA EC ni, apa benda yang berkenaan dia? Dia related to details of remuneration paid. to each individual's employee. So dalam form EAEC ni, company tu contoh tadi My News. Okay, contoh tadi My News, dia akan isi form EAEC untuk details about the remuneration paid for the staff lah. Okay, and then apa? Including the amount contributed to EPF and amount deducted under the monthly deduction scheme STD. So dalam remuneration paid ataupun dalam the form tu, okay, the company should include number of EPF, berapa amount yang dia deduct, okay, berapa EPF lah. One thing is the EPF and then any other deductions. So benda semua tu lah. Dia kena isi dekat dalam form EA and EC. So senang cerita, benda yang I highlight ni lah, details of the remuneration paid. Okay, and then EA kan ada dua form tu, EA and EC. Okay. EA untuk private employees, EC untuk government employees. So dia different. Kalau My News is private business, isn't it? So betul kan? So dia kena isi form EA. Government, contoh government company apa dia? Sekolah. Boleh lah. Sekolah memang ada government punya. Government employees. Tapi kita tak dapat profit. I mean, sekolah is owned by the government. Government employees. Sekejap. Apa dia tadi? Apa dia? Boleh. Yes, klinik boleh. Government employees, betul? Sekolah pun boleh, cikgu. Boleh? Boleh. So dia kena isi form EC. Okay. Untuk apa tadi? Kenapa dia kena isi tadi? Untuk apa? Pay. Untuk bagi details about the salaries, employee salary. Okay. And then dia cakap form EA and EC should be provided to employees. Memanglah kan, sebab dia semua related to the salary kan. Failure to do so will be an offence under section 120. Upon conviction, the employer, the company is liable to, okay, let's say lah company tu dia tak isi form ni, and then dia tak bagi to the staff, okay, dia akan dikenakan fine, penalties 200 to 20,000. Okay, dia akan kena penalties. And then ataupun dia akan dipenjarakan more less than 6 months, macam kena remand lah. 6 month remand ataupun both. Okay, that is the penalties. I would say this is the penalties. Okay. Penalties if the company tak boleh nak provide the form to the staff. Okay. Okay, that one. Satu. Dia ada 7 benda employees should present to the LHDN. Tadi tu form EA and EC. Another one is notice of employees commencing employment. Maksudnya bila staff tu start bekerja. Date bila tu kena bagi tahu dekat LHDN juga. Okay, LHDN nak tahu sebabnya nanti dia nak kira tax kan. So dia nak tahu okay, berapa start bilanya pekerja ni bekerja. So bilanya dia boleh dikenakan tax. Sebab tu dia kena bagi tahu LHDN the employee commencing employment date. Sini ya, date. Okay, so tengok kat sini. A notification for commencement of employment of an individual who is likely to be chargeable to tax on employment income should be sent to the IRB not later than 1 month from the commencement date of employment. Okay, so maksudnya azan dah. Kita tunggu azan jap. Kita habis pukul 2 kan? Kejap. Okay, sambung So, I provide siap-siap chapter 2 punya apa nama itu? Mind map. So, chapter 2 tadi we have learned text written kan? So, under responsibility of employer, dia kena provide form E and form EC, form E and EC, and then dia kena bagi tahu juga staff punya start date. So, tadi dia cakap kat sini dah, should be sent to IRB. Okay, tengok kat sini. Not later than 1 month from the commencement of date. Let's say the commencement of date tu, contoh dia start kerja supposedly on the 1st August. Okay, so company tu kena bagi tahu LHDN 1 month before the commencement date. So maksudnya dia kena bagi tahu on the 1st Julai lah. Dia kata should be sent to the not later than 1 month. So tak boleh lebih daripada 1 bulan. So sama ada 1 dan 7 lah, betul. So dia kena bagi tahu ke LHDN bila employee tu punya start date. Okay, and then the prescribed form is form CP22. So nak bagi tahu start date dia bila tu, dia kena bagi tahu di dalam form CP22 for the start date. Okay, tadi tu form EAEC pasal salary of the staff or remuneration paid. Okay, start date is on form CP22. Okay, now dia kena juga bagi tahu the apa dia? Boleh tak? Tak nampak. Kena tutup semua lah rasanya. Lampu. Kena tutup semua. Baru nampak. Tapi jangan tidur. You tidur tadi tak apa. Okay. Tadi apa tadi? Sambung. Okay, dah start date. Dia kena bagi tahu dalam form CP22. Now, dia kena bagi tahu notice of cessation. Cessation of employment. Tu maksudnya, dia kena bagi tahu juga bila employee or the staff dah tak kerja dekat situ dah. Means the end date. Okay, I put here end date seteruslah. Okay, maksudnya dia kena bagi tahu. Okay, tengok sini, a notification of cessation for employee is to be submitted to the LHDN not later than 1 month prior to the date of the cessation of the such employment. Maksudnya sama macam start date, dia kena bagi tahu 1 month before. Contohlah, Ali tu diberhentikan kerja bulan 7. So company tu kena bagi or submit the date of the pemberhentian dia tadi tu bulan 6. Okay, before, 1 month before. So dia tu kena juga isi in the same form lah, CP22 juga. Okay, kat sini CP22 as well. So I put here CP22. Okay, done. Okay, lepas tu dia cakap kat sini,